The vibrant city of Austin, known as the live music capital of the world, is here with a remarkable student accommodation that awaits your arrival. Introducing The Block, your sanctuary, your launchpad, your home. Nestled in the heart of West Campus, The Block offers a selection of thoughtfully crafted shared and private apartments. Each bedroom featuring all the essentials: plush beds, spacious layouts, generous walk-in closets along with chic hardwood-style flooring, fully equipped kitchens, and private balcony. But wait, there's more. Live in luxury with an array of fantastic amenities. We're talking a 24-hour state-of-the-art fitness center, a spectacular rooftop lounge with stunning views and dedicated study spaces, all at your disposal. As for location, The Block is an easy commute to numerous prestigious campuses, such as the University of Texas at Austin, Austin Community College, and Houston-Tillotson University. And just a few steps from your front door, you'll discover a neighborhood brimming with delectable dining choices, retail outlets, and academic resources along Guadalupe Street. The Block Austin is a dream housing, gift-wrapped and packaged in a lovely apartment that too in budget-friendly price. So don't wait, make your move towards an exciting future right now. Visit amberstudent.com and lock in your spot today.